Perhaps you've seen my script, PDF Printer Spreads. The script for InDesign imports a PDF in single pages, then arranges the pages as printer spreads. But that's PDFs. What if you want the actual InDesign pages rearranged to become printer spreads? But why, you might ask? There could be a number of reasons. One is to data merge a booklet. Making printer spreads of all the results would be a hassle. That is, after separating the pages because data merge lumps it all into one PDF. I have another script to solve that, but that's an upcoming video. First, I want to show this script because my data merge solution requires it. The idea is to make the document a booklet first, or any other reason you want InDesign pages as a booklet. I made a script to do it. Printer Spreads. I'll show the script in Windows. It works the same on Mac OS. I've made a simple document to demonstrate. It's mostly just page numbers. This is to better show the results when done. But two of the spreads I made crossovers to show how those are handled. To run the script, open the Scripts panel. I already have the script installed in InDesign. For help adding scripts to InDesign, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the list, select the script Printer Spreads. Double-click to run it. There is no interface. The script gets right to work, then alerts done. Just that easy. Of course, if you have a longer document, it might take a little more time. This simple document was quick. The script has saved a new document with the suffix Printer Spreads. That way, the original InDesign document remains untouched. The pages are now in Printer Spreads. And notice what happened to the crossovers. The script took care of that. And it does more. All guides are removed. Items on the pasteboard are removed. Parent page items are overridden, and all parent page items are removed. Text markers current page number are resolved to their actual value. Layers are merged to a single layer. A center guide and fold marks are added to the one remaining parent page. The script is open source. All of these tasks, you can view the code and use in other scripts if you like. Download the script and give it a try. See the link in the description. Like this video and subscribe. Also, leave a comment. All feedback is welcome. Click the video or playlist on screen for more. Thank you for watching.